Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick guide on a new feature we're releasing today in Tangram that lets you create promo codes for subscriptions. I've created this test subscription in my Tangram app, and as you can see here now, there's a line at the top of the subscription card that says add promo code. When you click on that, you're given an input field and a button that let you apply a promo code to your subscription before you pay. The way this works is in Stripe, there are these things called coupons. And when you create a coupon in Stripe, it will be usable in the promo codes on your subscriptions in Tangram. This gives you a lot of flexibility around how promo codes can be applied to your subscriptions that you don't have with other types of promos in Tangram right now. As an example, you can apply 10% off once, or you can apply a flat amount off over every subscription, or you can make it entirely free forever. Let me go through and show you how this works with a demo. We'll take this first subscription here. We'll copy that name and we'll paste it into the apply box and we'll hit apply. And now we can see that amount reflected here in the promo block. And also there are a few more indicators down below the credit card field. And when I put in my credit card and pay for this subscription, the price of it will be reflected as the discounted amount. We'll be charged $9 today and then $10 per month thereafter because it's a 10% off the first payment. We'll hit subscribe on that, and you're brought into the normal subscription flow from there. Let me go back and I'll create another example. We'll take this hello code that's 100% off forever. And I'll copy the ID here and apply it. Oh, sorry, that's not right. The code is hello. And as you can see here, 100% off applied to all future payments. So you'll be charged $0 today and $0 per month thereafter. The credit card field does still show up here, and it will create a customer object in Stripe just for this specific case. Hopefully that's helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions about this functionality, but otherwise have a great rest of your day.